Hi guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing great and staying safe. I just quickly wanted to show you guys the 3 most useful products that I have received from the brands last week. So let's check that first and then we shall talk about it later. Alright, so the first product I have received is this Upang Plus UV Sterilizer. During this COVID times around the world and especially with your newborn at home, I believe this is one of the most essential products to have for your family. Its double dose makes it more safer. With this all-in-one sterilizer, you can dry, sterilize and remove odors at the touch of a button. Other than that, it has got storage mode automatic sterilization 2 minutes every 3 hours. And I will show all amazing features of this UV sterilizer in my detailed product video soon. So the next product that we have is this UVMed handheld pocket LED sterilizer. Have you ever thought that you could sterilize while on the go? Well, yes. And how? That I'll show you in a separate video very soon. And trust me, life can't get much easier than having this in this current COVID situation that we all have. Now, this product is specially for Tiana. It's a poly high chair from KIKO. Well, let me assemble this first. And some behind the scenes because Tiana is awake and she decided to join me in this assembling part. Tiana can sit more comfortably with us as it has adjustable heights, so your baby can be a part of your dining table conversation as well. Or basically, you can make your baby sit along wherever you are. This poly high chair is something that you must have when you're preparing for your baby as it can hold from newborn till 18 kgs. And you can see how happily Tiana is enjoying in her high chair. I'll show you guys in a different video how useful this chair could be for your baby for her daily use. Well, that's all I have for now, but stay tuned. I'll show you guys in details how all these products can make your life easy, and especially to all those new parents out there. So till then, take care and bye-bye.